Welcome to our channel Tech Unlimited Solution. Here you will know about all problems and solutions related to websites, software, mobile, computer, laptop, and others. For regular updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's start this video on how to change default browser in Windows 10. Visit the search bar menu and type Default Apps. New window screen appears on your Windows 10 PC. Now look for the web browser and change it as your preference. Like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, etc. As I have changed it as Microsoft Edge, so, from now onwards, any link on my PC will be opened with Microsoft Edge by default. Hope you liked this video and successfully changed your default web browsers. Don't forget to press subscribe button for more tech-related videos.